Yes, you are welcome to this wonderful course. This course called Introduction to PHP and Object-Oriented Programming (OOP). This is my new course on PHP and Object-Oriented Programming Language or Programming. Due to high demand, I just have to make this course because my target is Laravel 10, which I am going to release soon. But you need to take this course first for you to have a clear understanding of what Laravel is. So for this course, I have combined procedural PHP and object-oriented programming PHP together so that I can have a good understanding of what PHP is all about. So this course has been divided into two parts, like I said earlier, the procedural PHP parts and the OOP PHP parts. So you're going to learn the concept of PHP, the concept of OOP, and how to build a CRUD functionality or an application with OOP. Now, take note, this course is prepared for you so that you'll be able to get a strong understanding when I release my new course on Laravel. That's why I have to make this course possible due to popular demand. So I want to thank you one more time for getting this course. I wish and I pray that you get value from this course. Thank you very much as we delve into the course proper. Take care.